Ladies and gentlemen, after we shouted yesterday, well done to everybody that brought the matter up on social media, and we made noise like we can, Attorney General have asked the police to bring the case file of those children that were brought to court yesterday, to bring the case file to his office in one look through. And he has also asked that because they adjourned the case yesterday, they sent the children back to prison, they adjourned the case to January. They first of all give them bail condition with their full family. Nothing meets. They call adjourn the case to January, so the children were taken back to prison to go and wait till January. Anyway, Attorney General has called for the case file and he has asked that the case be moved forward. Instead of waiting till January, maybe they move forward maybe to later this month or next month so that they can get a sensible solution to the matter. The federal government certainly cares for all citizens, as the Attorney General requests the case file of protesters from police. Press release. Protest. AGF intervenes. Seeks case file from police. It has just come to my notice that the police have arraigned those arrested in connection with the End Bad Governance violent protest in court for various offenses, including reason. My office will need to look into some issues regarding the matter so that I can make an informed decision. I am aware that the court has remanded these defendants in detention centers and adjourned the case to January. It is not within my power to vary the order of the court remanding the defendants in detention centers and adjourning the case to January. I have, however, directed the Nigeria Police to transfer the case file to my office and hand it over to the Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation tomorrow, Saturday, 2nd November 2024, that is today. I have also directed the DPPF to immediately set machinery in motion for the court's consideration of moving the adjournment date forward to an earlier date. Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Prince Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, November 1st, 2024. So the Attorney General of Nigeria, Lateef Fagbemi, won't tell me now. Say no know about this case since. Abi? So 9-1 request the case file, then look through. You won't tell me, say you don't know about this case. Because I was stupid. All these people, they don't look Nigerians when I say we daft. A case of a charge of reason has to pass through the office of the Attorney General, if I'm not mistaken. It's not the case of two fighting or case of say you thief money. That is a capital offense. So if somebody is being charged like that, those files will have to pass through the office of the Attorney General. For some countries, I'm not sure about Nigeria, but that should be the way it works in Nigeria. So for somebody to be accused of a crime like that, Attorney General, no. Now they talk about children. Sometimes I don't know who be winch, but whether I'm police or I've been a judge or I've been a politician. Who is that wicked judge that looked at those children yesterday and adjourned the case to January? They brought children to your court. You saw them. They were malnourished. Their bones on the show. Some even collapsed in your presence. You can't get mine. Say, may they carry them, go back to prison and leave them there till January. That judge is a winch. Because as we dey quiet for this country, things dey worse. We dey quiet, things dey worse. We dey quiet, things dey worse. It don't reach where they don't dey try children for capital offenses inside Nigeria. Because they were asking for good governance. Is the government not bad enough? Who does not know that this government is bad? It's all right. Look through the case file. Tell them to bring the date forward. No wonder we do it. We want to see what is going to be the outcome of this case. Nigerians have been too quiet. So if we not shout yesterday, now so now for leave these boys there. So how many children are actually in issues like that we did not know of? Where still they? Because this one, because it became a national topic, everybody holla. If not, they don't forget the children then in January that they see. So when they reach January again, they go adjourn them again to April. You see, there are three arms of government. The executive, which is the presidency, the governors, and their ministers. The legislature, which is the House of Rep, Senate, lawmakers. then the judiciary. These three people are supposed to checkmate themselves. So when the executive is making a mistake or misbehaving, legislature will come against them and stand against them. And worst case scenario, the judiciary will come against them to checkmate each other. But in Nigeria today, the legislature and the judiciary are in the pocket of the executives. That is why we is building big houses for judges. To pocket everybody. They are all running mad together. So who is going to challenge them? The onus is on us, the citizens, to be able to tell those people that you are losing it. Well, guess what? Some of the citizens today, their pocket. This country are going this way.